As a UPS personal vehicle delivery driver, there are three main methods to avoid head-on collisions: maintaining distraction-free driving, establishing proper eye lead time, and utilizing the triangular viewing method. UPS requires all employees to follow federal and state guidelines and laws regarding cell phone use. In addition, UPS employees should avoid all in-vehicle distractions, including text messaging, use of email, or engaging in web surfing while the wheels of their vehicle are in motion. Use of a phone mount is recommended to keep your device at eye level. To avoid in-vehicle distractions, it is important to know where you are going before setting your wheels in motion. Whether you're driving on the highway, the city, or in a rural area, it is important to establish sufficient eye lead time. Proper eye lead time is looking down the road 8 to 12 seconds in the lane that you are traveling in. One way to do this is to imagine an imaginary bullseye or dartboard down the road that you are driving toward. Avoid steering at the front of your vehicle. To establish or double-check your eye lead time, choose a stationary object ahead of you. For example, this green sign on the right-hand side. Start the count now. If your time ended between 8 and 12 seconds, you have established a sufficient eye lead time. Lastly, the triangular viewing method. This keeps your eyes moving in a triangular pattern from front to left mirror, back to front in a sweeping motion, then to the right mirror, and back to the front again. Avoid moving from mirror to mirror without stopping up front. Remember, the three best ways to avoid a head-on collision are maintaining distraction-free driving, establishing proper eye lead time, and using the triangular viewing method.